got any incredibly powerful AI. You just don't know who's going to control that. With artificial intelligence, we are summoning the demon.
Hasta la vista, baby.
The technological progress of the next 100 years will surpass every invention made by humanity since the discovery of fire. Starting from the year 2030, we can expect to witness a frightening evolution of machines that'll come closer to achieving the singularity of the human brain. While artificial intelligence is poised to bring evolution and progress, it's also expected to destroy jobs and impact humans in all social spheres.
So figuring out when we're gonna disrupt so much of economic activity, what is the new social contract?
ChatGPT's very own CEO, Sam Altman, believes that machines will soon be able to perform a large portion of the tasks currently done by humans. With the collapse of capitalism looming, he warns that the world will need to come up with new rules and solutions to avoid disaster.
I think it's hard for me to even imagine.
Based on this apocalyptic future, he proposes a new world order. It's called Capitalism for Everyone. But what lies behind the ideas of Sam Altman, the founder of OpenAI? Is this a conspiracy theory with socialist ideas, or just pure marketing strategy? Find out in today's extraordinary video. The current artificial intelligence is advanced and versatile, but is still known as narrow AI or weak AI. That is to say, the AI tools are getting better and better, but there still lacks some key elements that approach human reasoning. On the day this evolution happens, we will reach the most anticipated moment by technology enthusiasts around the globe. The age of AGI, Artificial General Intelligence.
One of the skills of an AGI is not any particular milestone, but the meta skill of learning to figure things out, and that it can decide to get good at whatever you need.
AGI is the capacity that a machine or intelligent agent would understand or learn tasks in an equal or superior manner to us humans. Faced with an unknown task, the AGI system could be capable of finding new solutions to any problem presented, but it must also have important characteristics, such as the power to generalize, relativize, to use one's own experience in decision-making, and also to plan the future. Therefore, AI is increasingly utilizing what experts call cognitive computing. Today, cognitive computing is already the main concept behind a number of innovations. The development of cognitive computing is a key objective for major investors in the field of artificial intelligence, such as Google, Microsoft, and Chinese tech giants, who view it as a crucial factor for achieving technological dominance in the future. The highlight of the moment is undoubtedly ChatGPT, and the innovations of OpenAI leads us to the main subject of today's video. In an interview with Forbes, Sam Altman said that the arrival of AGI has the potential to break capitalism.
I think society just won't tolerate it this time.
Despite his frightening prediction, the mastermind behind ChatGPT has developed a plan to avoid the collapse of humanity. Above all, Sam Altman wants artificial intelligence to become accessible to everyone in the future.
The future I would like to see is where access to AI is super democratized, where there are several AGIs in the world that can help allow for multiple viewpoints and not have anyone get too powerful.
Published in 2021, Moore's Loss for Everything is an article in which the CEO of OpenAI visualizes a future where AGI will surpass humans in terms of learning process, increasing productivity. The replacement of humans by machines is irreversible. And it's not just jobs in industrial production lines that are at risk. Areas related to health, diagnosis, engineering, design, and creative industries will be impacted by AGI. But the question that remains is, if humans lose space in the production of goods, how can we maintain high household consumption? Sam Altman's answer to the problem is, Universal Basic Income. The proposed solution is that the world population will receive a universal basic income to avoid deep prices during the AGI era.
As AGI participates more and more in the economy, I think we should distribute wealth and resources much more than we have.
After losing jobs, Sam Altman wants humans to have a basic income to enable them to focus on other tasks, such as spending more time with their families and developing new skills. But where would so much money come from to pay billions of humans every month? The answer lies in the third major measure of capitalism for all, proposed in Altman's article. The creation of a financial fund bankrolled by the taxation of land and capital. In the case of capital taxation, large companies, especially AGI ones, will be the big capital holders in the future, therefore responsible for paying more taxes, which will help maintain society's lifestyle. Sam's idea is that when the US GDP starts growing at 50% per year due to AGI's advancement, large companies in the country will pay up to 2.5% tax on capital. But if you're thinking that Sam Altman's plan has socialist or communist aspirations, he makes a point to clarify.
I think competition is good, at least, until we get to AGI. I deeply believe in capitalism and competition to offer the best service.
If AGI becomes a reality and it's actually capable of breaking capitalism, as Sam predicts, what would be the plan B for humanity?
I think the amount of value that's about to get created we have not seen since the launch of the iPhone App Store, something like that.
AGI has not arrived yet, but it's already making waves. In addition to Sam, other big names in technology are making radical predictions for the next few years. Ray Kurzweil, an award-winning American inventor and computer scientist, predicted years ago that computers will reach human-level intelligence by 2029. Recently, scholar and futurist Gray Scott stated that AI will be outsmarting the human mind by the year 2035. What about you? Are you ready for the future? If you want to learn more about the future of AI, click on this video here, where we explain how Microsoft plans to use ChatGPT to overtake Google. And if you enjoyed this video, drop a comment down below, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.